Nirmala Kenyam, Biakamal Kanor online TV channel. Kajan Guas Matukon Kaler Mugur Liang, Muguro Dong de Randere Jeling. Lerme Bere which Kaso Sudan Kujuba, Kuden Shalke Maquilwet, Maquilwet, Lerishalat Guasame, take a gak, Magakan Kaja, Kaji United Nation taken ke Beth. Tie Kajuba International Airport Nika Koror Gwate Ishiwa Ngot kan independent Kanaja ke 2011 Taken ke radio Mishale Miraya FM radio Meten Winami Nyok en base dung United Nations mo teka tongpin Jente tine ko gwase dane nakanuari ke 2013 lo tedung walung ti chicken kangach and tema tɛɛr kula tuo kam dien ke kuumɛ South Sudan ajen ban kula lingo kana me report mu paiben magoro dong da randere jeling men biangai gwada me wudi shalga makoilweze teke tetka lian nuore ke teke tetketin kon lat karo dien long me bialinga kenyam akan konon yam bajelat ka thoknath ka kor baje kwen ka to English ka dobran cha gor ka ja mi jiram jidit kanwar online TV channel gor janojin der jenwaga nasin ko ken gor jaben ojin der subscribe kanwar online TV channel kade notification bell der je twan ko der lerde kan chamala shubkaje ban rache me ban je ko na gwa ka lode ka do badana chaje gor kaje kuumɛ South Sudan ke kuumɛ kirma yadit jana lare nono rajen chikana lat katut kaman shalke makwai lwes makwaya aja ramadan la South Sudan information minister shala Michael makwai lwet aja ramadan la rajame en kuumɛ South Sudan akani UN base ke UN United Nation awiro de geka airport awiro de geka airport la international airport juba international airport taken ke based awuj rodeten en United Nation taken ka dor meten tinen gwasamana dorien mo te karunto ngwanlong ke karunto ngwanti do jok ajen gwadran te katen te airport airport ajen juba international airport en la rin yalla kan newton ke la na koten mo na winde kokien la juba international airport an gwada dan te tin e tongpin jen gwada dan te be de mode ten la base United Nation United Nation ken te ke radio inshal ko mo Miraya FM te pindien kajana lana la royni la kala de kajere yoy ka South Sudan mitemi shoda lat mitemi jitu bajalat kajen Miraya FM me ci kuumɛ South Sudan ci Miraya FM mo ci janok ci gor tek runte konti ji dot jok ci kan la do wonena ala Miraya FM baje kam South Sudan government ci kan radio mo ci kan lat ke UN alo mede la de UN kan ji UN kan butuk ko che kori britain ga tetan wan kan nyo kan den kono ko karwan la lat keja no mone lokum South Sudan akani de ke Miraya FM de kan ka de point de en UN base mom de ka tongpin de je watch en kuumɛ South Sudan lokan UN ano de te ge ka tiara renyale ki gwadan renyale kan newton ka juba international airport ko jan gwadan la kanada le rejecten munga yena me riga yito karon kin dangre wal diok airport chana tukten long kan jikan gorno be te ka ba ngach ji UN tieka ko tieken ke airport ke tieken ke unimis so en UN ngai ken dial kon lat ke kuumɛ South Sudan especially lat ke jang they know everything ngai ken te dial so ne me charge gor kuumɛ South Sudan la kuumɛ kirma yadit men tin yen gwada me ci kana no mun danan te UN teten la United Nation men tekaten te ka gwande anyok mun da dien mo mun dung South Sudan ko kuje mo shine ye mo ka mun da dien chicken UN chicken mo ka mun da dien mutana gwara dien ko chicken tet ko lat ko ni gen bilang ai ko ngai ko na airport jen godan la de diala gan tokten chang te karame bene jen gwara dien la kana cap ke chang jen ba je cap cha ji bunga je no ngutu ko kichi ji UN chicken ne bin jen tan gwata mo akane bina biya jen ko shikum je gorno daga tere wich goro baka wuch ko talim bakan lela nen ka jan Juba International Airport wuda me chete dita long chagalat kan Nuer shaganak chete jang kan long chagalat antama watch United Nation gek airport ka lo chikan wo ne je e ko e chikan go jano e gor kan bakala na me do ko shamtin jek lat kan ka cha bungat especially ka jen insecurity dan to tamare we ka South Sudan gor kano beteti jab kan galat che jen do be na mone te gane de te ka ter ka United Nation but te kan ka ter look no United Nation ngutte gwado mo airport te ka airport da ka jentan ka jidatan jen do bran lat kan aja do mo kan thoknath kan lengwa be kwenne ka tok English ka do bran cha gor ka. The South Sudanese government has expressed frustration over the United Nations failure to vacate the Tongping base near Juba Airport despite repeated requests. The remark came in response to a recent report by the UN Commission on Human Rights in South Sudan, released on Friday, which urged the country's political leaders to address widespread impunity and corruption. The report warned that failure to do so could undermine the nation's fragile political transition. Roger Chala the UN Guadamo Kuleteko, a chicken agorno de UN and to Guadamo, which UN terror chicken ladano la Kum South Sudan, corrupt, to take a tijak along to La Rodian, Ray Malcolm Gorka Deben, Kamala Mocha the Gorkan and Derban. So on a more Mishika Taka Dolo, Kum South Sudan, Chijukum South Sudan chicken a look. I read down Chala UN. You cannot know when no yen be a jen, Guaduna mo, Jene Jugono be a jen, a she can go over Malvern. So, and the cover up Lokano to be Banyan Ken Bakanga. Look and report a chang, Menchala the UN Commission on Human Rights in South Sudan, K abuse, K corruption and La Rode, Revika South Sudan, Kakan Quartet and Conte Yarka South Sudan. The UN investigation conducted in 2024 found a recurring pattern of gross human rights violation in a specific location, often involving the same public and military official. Alai take a mishalat karon kin dangra wi de dangra ron ka gwade dan. Take investigation mishalat ji UN. Chwaje gano take reject lat kelong. Ane de kon la dine. Kana kata dan no kan kwak bote kanat right wike South Sudan bane anna me lokana kan ji South Sudan akane je kena ka shalarar ka shanga je UN aka chamling aka chaling anu ite jeglat korodian this jana dan to na me a cover up ka men bebena kan kwingwene kin ron kin dangro bakale kana shup gor kano de kan rek rodian de kan nyokomlet kare wike Juba jen guyena na tama mi cha juko je mi la jena mi je ka ku mi ste mi je cha juko de kan rela je ka ko te ke evidence kan ne kon tila je United Nation chikana no kono bate kon lat ko rin baka ngach na mo akel mi diren tama mi ja ku mi Sudan ko be kuumɛ men ku la human right UN commission human right be kana lokon o te data ray ka South Sudan ke gwati ke ku millet ken de jaglet ken katan South Sudan Information Minister Government spokesperson Michael Makwe linked to report to an ongoing dispute between the government and the UN over the Tongping base. Point the wood shall Makwe the major Ramadan and Ladamono na de ko Makwe take a ticket jeg de alcon lat kare ke South Sudan especially naga Nuer ta nyin South Sudan keja take a term ditan ko kan the content cha gor no de South Sudan de takamal kan long de wait forever la kwar kwikene la take a gwam bu mal belen ben keja bi wejba gwa anyok kan bi ke cheng forever a lot lambran nyot but don't gonna catch up with them a bit jaglet kan kam bu ka work ken It stated that the government had repeatedly asked the UN to leave the site, which is needed for airport expansion and is partially claimed by private individuals. Ekene kuumɛ goro der airport der jalat nyok ta airport kama taga tong pinya base dung UN etanda dung raradian. And I'm gonna cover up. We have a conflict with the UN here because we told them that the place they are occupying is needed for two reasons. One part belong to individual and the other belong to the airport. We are expanding the airport, so we ask them to move out, Makwe said.
What is the government response regarding that?
Well, of course, these are people. This press release was issued after their meeting yesterday in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. There is a dispute between us and these people over the airport. Mahal al Fogo I radio de wala ismu Maraya. That place, these people are supposed to move out from there since about 4 or 5 years ago.
Muguyana la runiti kidi shala da wuda mega kui Maraya FM alajan a Canadian konin chagoro no ba jer kon let ken ba ngayre wika South Sudan. She kum UN je gwanyano eken jagre kedidore wicha ka South Sudan kalokano ba ka ngayken jer let ken ka. He accused the UN of transigency, stating they are refusing to move. They are our employees as we are members of the UN. And they are also our guests. Where in the world does a guest insist on staying where they are not wanted? This is a crisis. Ajanene kon lahat ana ka konne te lat kel ke UN anyo kan ne ka jal UN ke jare we da ka kujemo ngum lokono de ga jien ge ka chine ge jogono jien aka jien gwada danen teketen chine ge mo ke mundo dien bekoten jero dan chala Michael Makoilo ngi yana gwa no melet kana me shi tok she nyogo Maraya FM me jeni ne jono wala gaka lokana no wal jen jelele 45 years ago. This is long time 45 years ago course of dante guru nitam nige 2013 kana meni no wal nige 2011 2005 ke ngod da wajok me Maraya FM me dan eteten. So gor kan do mi mo de kan Maraya FM de ga ka je ki de UN de wo ke je gwa ko cha je ken let kan cha bula ngai ko en Maraya FM la lantin content loro kamal chicken gor kan no. Mr. Makwe suggests that the dispute had led to sanctions against South Sudanese officials, including himself. He referenced a previous conflict over the registration of UN-owned radio Maraya, which he said was resolved only after prolonged negotiations. Gwada jene me cha raj je ka UN jene chwa je sanction ke chwa je capture no je UN. Of course the UN charge wo ka bang charge sanction bang kan la sanction ka de je kon le so ko je mo te UN te ka chwa ka te kon le ma ke ke jene nyok bo te ka ter ka je UN ka kui Maraya FM ala kuma jene Maraya FM a gwar ka bin la dung South Sudan je UN no na me edunda ko je UN la kan te ka radio ne ken te ka e kum South Sudan e na me edunda. They refused to register the radio, claiming they were the UN, insisted, and eventually they complied. Now they are refusing to move from the Tongping base, even though they have been given alternative land. The minister also claimed that under an initial agreement, Radio Maraya was supposed to be handed over to the South Sudanese government after independence in 2011, but the UN had failed to honor this commitment. Maraya FM was supposed to be ours according to the agreement. Jen Maraya dera dung dien katai dan china mat kaje me chikana lat kaje jen chaga jogono ko kor independent michi kum Sudan michi independent je ka 2011 de Maraya FM de jakamke jen ken UN kan lat. This is one of the issues we will demand from them. Jen dana gone ko de kan la de kan ngun. They have become intransigent. Kan lokana chicken na ling. Mr. Makwe emphasized that the government had issued formal warning through the Minister of Foreign Affairs, accusing the UN of using the report as a retaliatory measures. Again, Jen Foine Makwe Jane and FM radio manager la kan yaro kaje alo mete mi kan lugbe kan holat kare jam kaje ba kula ngach janishne gornamo. So the menu this is indicating that and kum South Sudan chamal che golato. So chicken gorno take a malum de bere week South Sudan. They wrote this report because they are not happy. They believe they can threaten us, but they will have to move out of that place. A janitor look and tama and ode karudin watch. Do know more the bigger jen and guatemala. This is what they said. UN official in Juba could not immediately be reached for comment. Need to contact UN tell Michigan alar, tell a comment, Kamishala and Michael McQuay. The stand of highlight ongoing tension between South Sudan and the UN, which has played a key role in the country peacekeeping and humanitarian effort since its independence. Lakum South Sudan gwa the meshe gorno de can mark a UN. Ko ken charge ken chaka ngach already. Telet kenka. Again, we can come, who can move mele megano, we can UN base, metaka tongpin. Ko we can a dong book a real dudin bukan and yokomoto can a wiki juba, can queen green, key queen quanaben get 2026 be. So, Gajatin con lat Carodiana, Rewika South Sudan, or the Telemal. Ko UN need to look, let's say, South Sudan, UN humanitarian country, South Sudan, de kumale lagaka ke. Eko take a te lokana ko lokana lokana. Let's say Nuer kona take you chicken na kono de na loka kane na akaliu retigen ana chalok. This is their aim. Akan mu ana mu te chaka lokana kon take sigen big liu ke big brar. That's why you see them chicken go on the UN there take South Sudan. Go can they really mean it to harm the people of South Sudan can this South Sudanese leader. So na me ajana go de nywa yekel kata dan and chikum South Sudan chikana taken ke tɛɛr ke UN United Nations and ka wo erodi ne ka Juba International Airport base ala tongpin base kana mo che chong yana go de nywa yekel men char garpin gwa mo ana biata mal bye.